Start with a slip knot. And chain 99 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain. 2 half double crochets in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the next stitch make 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. That's total 3 stitches in the same stitch. Skip 2, and in the next stitch repeat the same, 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Now repeat this until the end. Skip 2, and in the next stitch 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2, 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets. At the end you will have 3 stitches left. Skip the next 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round. Now this round onwards we will be working only into the single crochets. This is the first single crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, and this is the next single crochet. In the first single crochet make 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Skip the next 2 stitches, and this is the next single crochet. In this single crochet make 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Now repeat this in each of the single crochets. Skip 2, that's the 2 half double crochets, and this is the single crochet. 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2, this is the next single crochet, 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets. Now repeat this until the end. Skip 2, 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, make the last set of stitches. At the end you will have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch, and in the last stitch make 1 single crochet. This is the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. We will be working only in the single crochets. This is the first single crochet. Make 2 half double crochets over here. Skip the next 2 stitches, and this is the next single crochet. Repeat the set of stitches over here. 1 single crochet and 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Now repeat this until the end. This is the next single crochet. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.